Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore beauty products with honesty, expertise, and a touch of fun. Today, we're taking a close look at the theBalm Must-Haves Powder Trio, a pressed powder set designed to offer a natural finish suitable for all skin types. It's a compact kit that promises versatility with 3 different powders in one palette. The trio includes shades intended for contouring, highlighting, and setting your makeup. Each powder is finely milled, aiming to blend seamlessly into the skin for a natural, polished look. The ingredients list is straightforward, focusing on skin-friendly components that minimize irritation, making it suitable even for sensitive skin. The compact itself is sleek and sturdy, perfect for both at-home use and travel. When I first incorporated this trio into my routine, I was impressed by the texture. It feels soft but not chalky, and it layers easily without caking. I tested it over several days in different lighting and settings, from morning makeup to evening events. The contouring shade adds subtle depth, the highlighter provides a gentle glow, and the setting powder keeps my makeup in place without feeling heavy. The powders blend effortlessly, which is great for both quick applications and more detailed looks. One of the standout aspects is how gentle the powders feel on the skin, especially compared to some other pressed powders that can feel drying or accentuate texture. However, if you're looking for intense pigmentation, especially for contouring on deeper skin tones, you might need to layer a bit more to achieve the desired effect. The highlighter is subtle, perfect for a natural glow, but not for a dramatic shimmer. In terms of value, the Must-Haves Powder Trio is reasonably priced, considering it offers 3 products in one compact, making it convenient and travel-friendly. Compared to single powders on the market, this trio is cost-effective for everyday use without compromising quality. The compact itself is well-made, the mirror is handy, and the packaging feels durable, so you don't have to worry about it breaking in your bag. I didn't interact with customer service directly, but theBalm generally has a solid reputation for responsive support if needed. For those considering alternatives, if you want a similar all-in-one powder palette at a lower price point, there are options from brands like ELF or NYX, though the texture and finish may vary slightly. That said, theBalm's formulation feels a bit more refined and skin-friendly, which justifies the price for many users. Overall, the Must-Haves Powder Trio delivers on its promise of versatility and ease of use, offering a natural finish suitable for most skin types. It's ideal for those who want a convenient, all-in-one solution without carrying multiple powders. If this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used the Must-Haves Powder Trio, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. The link to purchase the product can be found in the description or comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.